Hello and welcome. You have perhaps unwisely chosen to spend the next however long with a man who once described accounting as the beige cardigan of the business world. The world of finance can feel about as welcoming as a surprise prostate exam. Well, fear not, my financially illiterate friends, because today we're going to break down these concepts with an analogy so simple, so utterly foolproof, that even your conspiracy theorist uncle who thinks the economy is run by lizard people will understand. We're talking about cars, everybody. Buckle up! Let's start with accounting. Think of accounting as your car's dashboard. It tells you how much fuel you have, cash flow, how many miles you've driven, revenue, and if your engine light is blinking furiously because you forgot to schedule an oil change expenses. Accounting tells a business if it's making money, losing money, or about to careen off a financial cliff. Next up, taxation. Nobody likes paying taxes, but they're kind of like the rules of the road. Sure, you might be tempted to speed through that stop sign, but get caught, and you're facing a hefty fine, my friend. Taxation ensures that businesses, like drivers, are playing by the rules. It's how governments collect the money they need to maintain those very roads you're speeding on, and fund essential services like healthcare and education. Now imagine you're buying a used car. You wouldn't just take the seller's word for it that it's in perfect condition, would you? That's what an external audit is like. It's an independent examination of a company's financial records to make sure everything is on the up and up. Think of it as a way to reassure everyone that the company isn't trying to sell you a lemon disguised as a luxury sedan. While an external audit is like taking your car to a mechanic for a checkup, internal audit is like having your own personal mechanic on staff. They're constantly under the hood, checking for leaks, tightening loose screws, and making sure everything is running smoothly. They're all about identifying risks and finding ways to improve efficiency before your metaphorical engine throws a rod. Assurance is a broader concept that encompasses both internal and external audit. It's like getting a seal of approval from a trusted authority, assuring stakeholders that the company's financial information is reliable and its operations are sound. Think of it like a consumer report sticker on a car. Now imagine you're planning a road trip. You could just hop in your car and start driving, but you might end up lost, low on fuel, and desperately wishing you'd packed more snacks. That's where advisory comes in. These are the financial experts who help businesses navigate the often treacherous terrain of the business world. They provide guidance on everything from financial strategy to risk management, helping businesses reach their destination without veering off a financial cliff. Before you buy a car, you'd probably give it a good once-over, right? Kick the tires, check under the hood, maybe even take it for a test drive. That's due diligence in a nutshell. It's the process of thoroughly investigating a business before making a significant investment. You want to make sure you're not buying a lemon, or worse, a car that's about to burst into flames. Finance is all about managing money, which is kind of essential if you want your business to keep running. Think of it as the fuel that powers your car. It encompasses everything from raising capital to investing funds to making sure there's enough cash on hand to cover expenses. Without finance, your business would sputter and stall, much like a car with an empty gas tank. Finally, we have Treasury, which is responsible for managing a company's cash flow, investments, and financial risk. They're like the engine control unit of your car, making sure everything is running smoothly and efficiently. So, a business is like a car. You need accounting to track performance, taxation to follow the law, audits for safety, assurance for credibility, advisory for guidance, due diligence before big decisions, finance to fuel growth, and treasury to keep it all running smoothly. Which field interests you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more finance and business insights. See you in the next video.